Welcome to Travepedia, this free encyclopedia for all information about all hotels and airports in the overworld. Let's begin.
It's about the journey, not the destination. Reality is better than imagination.
Hotel name, the First Collection Business Bay 4 stars. Location, Al Amal Street, the First Collection Business Bay, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The First Collection Business Bay is a modern, stylish hotel located in the Business Bay district and is 1 mile away from Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa. This 4-star hotel features 437 rooms offering views of the Dubai Canal, stables, or the iconic Burj Khalifa. All rooms offer a spacious working desk with wired or Wi-Fi internet and 24-hour front desk and room service. The hotel includes an exclusive club lounge for guests, a fully equipped gymnasium, as well as separate male and female spa rooms. Most popular facilities: 2 swimming pools, fitness center, non-smoking rooms, spa, 3 restaurants, room service, free parking, free Wi-Fi. Child policies: children of all ages are welcome. Type of rooms: deluxe room, 31 to 37 SQM. 2 adults and 1 child. Ideal for solo travelers or couples, this extra spacious guest room features premium guest amenities and the latest in-room technologies. Premier room, 32 square, 2 adults and 1 child, featuring a luxurious king-size bed, premium guest amenities, and an extra-large balcony providing breathtaking views of Burj Khalifa. The deluxe room is the ideal option for discerning couples. Executive Suite, 57 to 66 SQM, 3 adults and 1 child, with its ultra-convenient amenities. Separate and spacious living room, private bedroom with luxurious king-size bed and 2 bathrooms. Collection Suite, 69 SQM, 4 adults and 1 child. Enjoy the ultimate home away from home experience in our luxurious and ultra-spacious Collection Suite, which features a king-size bed, separate living area with fold-out sofa bed, an espresso machine, 2 bathrooms, and a large balcony offering magnificent views of the Burj Khalifa. Room amenities: elegant and modern interior design, 55-inch smart TV, in-room safe iron, an ironing board, complimentary Wi-Fi. Coffee or tea making facilities, sofa bed, a living area for selected rooms, work table, espresso machine in club rooms, large balcony in selected rooms. Restaurants: the Blacksmith Bar and Eatery, American Steaks Ribs, Dubai's famous homegrown smokehouse restaurant, the Blacksmith Bar and Eatery, is the star of the show at the First Collection Business Bay, open daily from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Vine, Mediterranean family friendly. Enjoy the finest Mediterranean-inspired cuisine at Vine, the First Collection Business Bay's comfortable and relaxed all-day dining venue. With incredible views overlooking Burj Khalifa, Risen Cafe and Artisanal Bakery. Coffee pastries grab and go. Dubai's best artisanal bakery offers the finest coffee and healthy breakfast and lunch options for guests on the go. Open daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Aliyah Lounge, Cocktail Arabic Middle Eastern, open daily 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Thanks for watching and don't forget like and subscribe at Travepedia, the free encyclopedia.